This past year, I took advanced manufacturing at the Mid-America Science Park, and my favorite part about it was breaking up the monotony, because most of the time, in a school day, you just kind of go along, you're always on autopilot. But then every day you show up to Mid-America and it's something new. At Mid-America, we use robotics, we do laser engraving, CAD modeling, 3D printing, and we can even make decals for like cars and windows. This summer I'm interning at Fewell Monument, and we design and manufacture headstones. And my part in that is in the laser department. The opportunity for my internship came through Mid-America. It was in my advanced manufacturing class that they told us about this opportunity. So I applied and I interviewed. And whenever it came time to choose a company, I put Fewell as my first choice. And then the manager at Fewell went back to Mid-America, spoke to my teacher there. My teacher was the one that recommended me, so that I'd already done a unit over laser engraving, and I'd really excelled there. So that's why I ended up at the company I did and then the department I did. Just for my class at Mid-America this year, I can go to a potential employer and tell them, I'm already certified through MSSC in safety and quality. I'm capable of running lasers and 3D printers. I'm proficient in CAD modeling and programming robots. As of right now, I want to go to Texas A&M and study civil engineering, specifically architectural engineering. So hopefully in a few years down the road, I can move out on my own and work from home a few days a week and be a civil engineer.